Hey, welcome to Dining with DanjA. It's Ashley. Lots of love and many blessings your way. Okay, y'all, so today we're going to make some country vegetable beef soup. Super quick, super easy, and super inexpensive. Come on, y'all, and eat. You guys, the first thing you're going to do is brown your meat. You're going to take 2 pounds of ground beef. I use ground round, but you can use like ground chicken, ground turkey. You can do whatever. Whatever your protein is, just cook it up. Guys, I wanted to show you really fast. Not that it really makes that big of a difference. Let me wipe that off. But you see how it doesn't have that much fat in it? I'm still going to drain it. That's a lot, but it's not like your typical ground beef. You know as well as I do, if this was typical ground beef, this stuff would be swimming. That's why I always use ground round. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw that at y'all. So I drained all the fat off of it, which was not hardly a thing. It was probably half a cup. Anyhow, so I just stir it up and let it cook a little bit longer, maybe 2 minutes. I don't want to burn it, but I just don't want anything pink in my food. Okay, so after you let it cook a couple more minutes, after you drain it, you're going to add some delicious Lipton soup mix. Except today, for some reason, I found something I've never seen before, which was beefy onion. Now, you just take a pack of that, and those packs are child-proof, so you're going to probably have to cut it with scissors or a knife. Y'all be careful. Once you're done fighting with that little bag that the Lipton soup mix comes in, I had to cut mine with a knife. You dump it in and stir it around. Okay, so you're going to take, I take 3 large cans of Vegi-Beef and stick in there with a very large can of diced tomatoes. So stick all that in on top of your meat. You stir it up, it kind of looks like goulash or something, maybe succotash. But you're going to add a few dashes of, I can't say the word, but I'm going to try, okay? Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to say it. So add a few dashes of that. Now you're going to add a tablespoon each of onion powder, black pepper, and sugar. Yeah, I said sugar. You'll see. It makes a world of difference. Do not add any salt just yet. Now you're going to add a 2-quart bottle of V8 juice. It can be store brand or name brand. It just all tastes the same. Now once you dump all that juice in there, mix everything up really, really good. Okay, now that the juice has been added and you mixed it up really good, I want you just to taste it really fast. Okay, so it needs some salt. And what I do is I build up gradually. It's really super simple, super easy is what I meant to say, to oversalt this stuff. So I start with about 1.5 teaspoons, and I go from there. If you need more, add more. It's whatever you like. I love pepper of all kinds. I even wash my hair with chili pepper shampoo because I love the smell of the peppers. I can't help it. So I'm going to add myself some extra pepper. Listen, not only is this a really inexpensive way to feed your family, but if you've worked all day long and you don't want to bring home another bag of burgers, it's getting cold outside, you want them to have something with some nutritional value, this literally from start to finish, it takes 10 minutes. And with the 3 large cans of Vegi-Beef or mixed vegetables and a large can of diced tomatoes, the jug of V8 juice, a packet of Lipton soup mix, and the dang meat, I'll bet you I don't have $20 in this soup. And I'm telling you, it feeds a ton of people. Just boil it real good for a couple of minutes, maybe 3 minutes. My goodness, dinner is served, y'all. It is good. And there you have it. Just slap some crackers next to your bowl, and you have dinner. And this is that country veggie beef soup we all grew up with in the South. Let me know if you make it. I'll see you soon, and we'll cook fast. Stay safe and be blessed.